So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens. You guys, let me tell you, I just didn't expect to get the 35k this fast, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much, and as I promised, I will be doing a giveaway at my 35k. So what I will be giving away, I will be giving the Cake Ink Nails foil gel away with 2 foil kits. Okay, yes, okay, I will be giving some goodies away. The 3 things that you have to do to enter my giveaway is pretty simple. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Go ahead on my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, come back to this video, comment done and why you would like to win this giveaway. 3 simple steps, and you know I will put everything in the description box below about this giveaway. And yeah, you guys, let's go to the video. So you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this summer swirl. I've done this set for like, I think 2 years ago. And you have asked me why I didn't make a video, so now 2 years later I'm here with the summer swirl for you guys. I'm bringing it back for you guys to enjoy, yes, you know. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that, but before you go ahead and watch this video, follow me on my social media accounts. I will put everything in the description box below, and then go ahead and watch this video. So I thought I was recording when I was doing the pinky, but I wasn't. So I'm showing you the ring finger. I'm starting at the ring finger so you guys can see what I do. So I'm using my summer collection that you guys know that I don't have anymore currently because my web shop is offline. I'm sorry for that, you guys, so sorry. But yeah, I'm just picking the colors up. I'm using every color from my summer collection. I'm using the pink, green, yellow, orange, and the blue. No, I only don't use the other yellow that I have. This is the neon yellow, but the other yellow, the normal yellow, I'm not using in this set. And I'm just picking the colors up as wet as I can, so I can just swirl them into each other. As you can see, I'm just picking small amounts of the colors, and I'm trying to fade that at the edge of the nail, so when I'm applying the cover pink, I will get a beautiful transition. So I'm showing you again what I'm doing. I'm starting with small amounts of color, and I'm picking them and putting them randomly, and then swirling them into each other. And make sure the acrylic is wet so you can fade the acrylic also at the edge of the nail, so you won't see that sharp line of color when you're making the ombre. So yeah, you guys, I will just let you see the footage what I'm doing. I'm not speeding it up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And the brush that I'm using is in number 14. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. Okay, so next I'm making the transition. I'm using my light salmon that you guys know I don't have anymore. um, Soon, you guys, soon we will be back with our web shop, but I'm just picking a small amount of my cover or my light salmon. You can also use a cover pink, any cover pink that you have to make the transition. So I'm applying that over the nail, and as you can see, I went in with a small bead again at the edge of the nail or at the edge of the colors, so I can make that beautiful transition. And when I'm happy with that transition, I will cover the nail with clear acrylic. So yeah, you guys, I'm sorry that I don't have the products anymore. I'm really sorry about that, but yeah, you guys, we will be back soon. And don't forget to get the cover pink or the light salmon, the color that you are using. Don't forget that as close as you can into the cuticle area. I have a video how to get as close to the cuticle as possible. I will put a link for you guys in the description box below. So you just put a bead of acrylic and push it into the cuticle area with your flat brush. Don't forget that you need to have a flat brush so you can get that nice and clean cuticle area. And if you are still here watching with me, you guys, I really want to thank you that you're here with me, supporting me. Thank you so much. If you're still here, let me know by commenting let me think, comment a popsicle, comment a colorful popsicle in the description box below, so I know that you're still here watching with me making some swirls, summer vibes. I feel the summer vibes. And I really want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, girl, baby girl, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for subscribing. I I have to say I didn't expect it go that fast, that we have reached a 35k that fast. I really didn't expect that, but I'm so glad I can inspire you guys with some beautiful nail set and with some tips and tricks, and learn you guys some, you know, share my knowledge with you guys. I really love that I can inspire and, you know, motivate a couple of you guys. So next I'm going in with my medium grit bit to smooth down the nails and to also perfect the shape. I'm going for a coffin shape, pretty long coffin shape. I love it. I just love it. And next I'm going in with my tapered bit into the cuticle area to make it clean and, you know, clean, beautiful, professional nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. So I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the coffin shape, to make them sharp and crisp and, you know. So this is after filing, buffing, and cleaning the nails. Nice and neat and clean nails. And next I'm going in with my gel top coat from the Kupa Inc nails. I will put a link for you guys in the description box below. And next I'm curing them for 2 minutes under my lamp. I'd like to do that because I really want to make sure that the nails are fully cured. And then I'm applying some cuticle oil, and you will see the end result in a bit. Really pretty, you guys. I really love the end result. They are glossy and pretty and long and, you know, beautiful, summery, colorfully. Love, love, love the end result. Perfect for the summer. I don't know if you have noticed, but I'm only making some summer inspired nails. I'm so into the summer. So yeah, you guys, this is the end result. Let me know in the comments below what you think about my summer swirl. If you recreate this set, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, and yeah, put hashtag summer swirl. So yeah, you guys, this was the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've liked this video. I really hope that you've learned something, of course. Thank you so much. If you've liked this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Turn on your post notification bell, because we will be posting three times a week, on Wednesday, Friday, and on Domingo on Sunday. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.